Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of voice assistants and uncovering the secrets of artificial intelligence. Did you know that voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant are powered by artificial intelligence? That's right. They use a technology called natural language processing, which allows them to understand and respond to our spoken commands. But how do they do it? Well, these voice assistants are trained on massive amounts of data, including spoken words, phrases, and even entire conversations. They use machine learning algorithms to analyze this data and learn how to understand and respond to human speech. How voice assistants work. Secrets of artificial intelligence. Voice assistants, such as Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant, and others, have become an integral part of our everyday lives. From setting reminders to controlling smart home devices, these virtual assistants simplify tasks with just a spoken command. But have you ever wondered how they work? What powers these sophisticated technologies behind the scenes? In this article, we'll delve into the fascinating world of voice assistants and uncover the secrets of the artificial intelligence AI that makes them function. 1. Speech recognition. The first step in understanding the journey of a voice assistant begins with the spoken word. When you give a command, your voice is captured by a microphone, and the audio is then converted into text through a process called speech recognition. This is the first challenge for AI because human speech is highly variable. Different accents, tones, background noise, and pronunciation can make it difficult for a machine to interpret. How it works. Sound wave analysis. The voice assistance software breaks down the sound waves of your speech into phonetic units, which are the smallest recognizable sound chunks. Acoustic models. These models compare the sound wave patterns to a database of known sounds, helping the assistant identify words. Language models. To further refine accuracy, language models analyze the context and predict the most likely words based on your sentence structure and common usage. Popular voice assistants rely on deep learning algorithms, particularly neural networks, to improve the accuracy of speech recognition. These models are trained on vast amounts of speech data and can adapt over time to better understand individual users. 2. Natural language processing. Understanding what you mean. Once your speech is converted into text, the assistant needs to understand your command. This is where natural language processing (NLP) comes into play. NLP is a branch of AI focused on allowing machines to understand and interpret human language in a way that is both meaningful and contextually appropriate. How it works. Parsing the text. The first step involves breaking down the sentence structure, identifying key elements like nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. This helps the assistant determine the subject and action in your request. Intent recognition. The AI then uses sophisticated algorithms to figure out what you want it to do. For example, if you say, "Turn on the lights," the assistant needs to recognize that your intent is to control a device lights and activate it. Entity recognition. This involves identifying the specific objects or actions in the sentence. For example, in the phrase "set an alarm for 7 a.m., the assistant recognizes that alarm is the entity and 7 a.m. is the time. By utilizing machine learning, NLP enables voice assistants to interpret not only straightforward commands but also more complex or ambiguous phrases. The more data the system processes, the better it becomes at understanding various linguistic nuances. 3. Machine learning. Improving over time. Machine learning (ML) plays a pivotal role in enhancing the functionality of voice assistants. Unlike traditional software, which follows static instructions, ML allows voice assistants to learn and improve from experience. This continuous learning process helps the assistant become more accurate in understanding commands, better at responding, and more adept at predicting user needs. How it works. Training models. Voice assistants are trained on massive datasets of user interactions. The more data they receive, the more accurate their predictions and responses become. User feedback. Voice assistants learn from your interactions by recognizing patterns in your commands, preferences, and even speech style. If you frequently ask for the weather, the assistant becomes more proficient at providing timely updates. Personalization. Over time, voice assistants can adjust to the specific needs and preferences of individual users. For example, a voice assistant can remember your usual music preferences or common tasks and offer personalized responses. 4. Speech synthesis. Responding to you. Once the assistant has understood your request, it must generate a response. This is done through speech synthesis, which is the process of converting text-based responses into natural-sounding speech. This step is crucial because a robotic, monotonous voice would diminish the user experience. How it works: text-to-speech (TTS) conversion. TTS technology takes the response in text form and converts it into speech. The AI uses pre-recorded sound libraries and complex algorithms to create lifelike, human-sounding voices. Prosody and emotion. Advanced voice assistants can adjust pitch, pace, and tone to convey emotions or emphasize certain words. For example, if you're asking a voice assistant to tell you a joke, it may add a playful tone to its delivery. Some voice assistants also offer multiple voices to choose from, making the experience more customizable for the user. 5. Contextual awareness. Understanding the bigger picture. The secret to making voice assistants more effective is contextual awareness. A simple command like "What's the weather?" can have different meanings depending on the context in which it's asked. If you ask it in the morning, the assistant should provide a weather forecast for the current day. If you ask it in the evening, it might offer a forecast for the next day. How it works: memory and continuity. Many voice assistants are designed to remember previous interactions, which helps them provide more relevant answers. For instance, if you ask for directions to a restaurant and later ask for a reservation, the assistant might recall the restaurant and streamline the process. Location awareness. Voice assistants often leverage location data to enhance their responses. By knowing your location, they can offer local weather updates, nearby restaurants, or relevant news. 6. Security and privacy. Protecting user data. One of the most important aspects of voice assistants is security and privacy. As these devices listen to your conversations, users must be assured that their personal data is secure. Companies use various measures to ensure that voice assistants are both safe and private. How it works: voice recognition. Some voice assistants can distinguish between different users based on their voice. This feature can be used to secure sensitive information or enable personalized services. Encryption. Communication between the device and the cloud is typically encrypted to prevent unauthorized access. Data control. Users are often given control over their data, allowing them to delete past interactions or manage privacy settings. 7. The future of voice assistants. As AI technology continues to evolve, voice assistants will become even smarter and more capable. We can expect them to understand more complex commands, anticipate user needs more accurately, and become more integrated into our daily lives, from healthcare to education and entertainment. Voice assistants may also become better at processing multiple languages, detecting emotions in speech, and offering more advanced personalized experiences. Conclusion: the technology behind voice assistants is a testament to the power of artificial intelligence, combining speech recognition, natural language processing, machine learning, and more to create a seamless user experience. While there are still challenges to overcome, the future of voice assistants looks bright, with AI continuing to evolve and improve their capabilities. These virtual helpers are quickly becoming indispensable, and as they get smarter, their role in our lives will only continue to grow. So, the next time you ask your voice assistant a question, remember that it's not just a computer, it's a sophisticated piece of technology powered by artificial intelligence. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, keep exploring.